Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix please try again on Cash App. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. When you open Cash App and it's showing the error like this, please try again later, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. Now from here you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it off, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, if you're using Wi-Fi, just simply you have to tap on Wi-Fi, and from here you have to turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again. And after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open settings. From here you have to tap on general. Now from here guys, you have to make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, and after that guys, you have to tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is also correct. Then scroll it down. From here you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. From here you have to reset your network setting, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. Now tap on general, then go to iPhone storage. From here guys, you have to go to the Cash app and just simply you have to offload that app. Tap on that, and from here you have to offload the app and then reinstall it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once again guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings again and make sure that you are not connected with VPN. So from here you have to disconnect with the VPN, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to delete the Cash app from your phone, and just simply you have to force restart your device and then reinstall the Cash app, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.